going on, everyone? This is Anthony with Pack Landscaping. Today we're going to show you how to restring your trimmer head. So first what we want to do is grab our line. So here we're going to be using our ugly line. It's .095 for most gas weed whackers. So we want about 10 feet of line, so we'll take an arm length and then we'll take about a nose length. That'll be good for one line. What we want to do is cut this off, and then we'll just go ahead and use the cut line as a reference. We'll use it as a reference for our second line. Go ahead and cut that. So we're done with our line. So if you look closely, here on our feed we have the word line and then an arrow pointing counterclockwise. So that just means that we want to wind our string counterclockwise. So first what we want to do is look for these little holes. See right here, little divot, little divot. That's where we're going to feed our line. So go ahead, stick your line in there. Don't be afraid of it coming out, it holds pretty well. Do the same thing for our second line. And then we can go ahead, remember, you want to go counterclockwise or whichever way your arrow is pointing. And just start winding it up. You can do two at once, you can do one at a time, doesn't really matter. So just take your time, make sure this thing is wound nice and neat. So I've just got two strings, rolling it with my other hand, using my pointer finger as a guide. Okay, so now, once you get almost all the way done, we'll keep about 6 inches of line. What you want to do is feed your line into the little notch at the top. This actually holds your line, keeps it from coming undone. Alright, so once you've got the line in the notches, you're all set. This is ready to go back in your trimmer. You're ready to start trimming.